the highest
Highest
paid
paying coach.
paid
Okay.
coach in the PBA. Tinanong ko, totoo ba? You're the highest paid, $25,000 at that time. Alam mo ano sagot niya? Sabi niya, I don't make apologies for making that kind of money because my first paycheck, yung coach pa siya ng Alaska daw, was 25,000 pesos. So ngayon, although he did not confirm and definitely did not deny na $25,000 yung pasahod niya, uh, he just says, I've earned it. And which is fair. He's earned it. You know? So yun lang. Si Chot Reyes, tinanong ko, Coach Chot, totoo ba? 800,000 pasweldo mo kasi si team ko, 1 million eh. Sabi ni team ko, sensitive yan, ganito, ganon. Sabi ni Chot, ayaw niya umamin. But that's what I was told. He makes about 800, 700 a month. Si Coach Yeng Giao, who's very transparent and I spoke to him.